Alright, now we're going to move on and we're going to make a little paper clip if you want to leave somebody a note. It's another little feature you can add to these, which is really great. It's much like this. You're just going to select 2 smaller shells and we're going to fix these to the back just like this. So we're all done. It kind of looks like a clam, and you can just slide a little note in there that says pick up milk or anything you want to put. So we're going to use our back corner and we're going to repeat the same process that we did earlier for our main organizer. You're going to take your glue gun and to the bottom of your shell, nice big line of glue there. And then we're going to set it straight down and we're just going to hold it there. Remember, these shells are heavy. You want to hold them for quite a while. Give it about 15-20 seconds. Might even need a little more. You just don't want that shell wobbling when you take your hands away. So allow it to get good and dry. And once you've done that, you'll repeat the same for the other shell. And again, when we're done, we want it to look like a clam effect, so that it's nice and close together. You gotta be really patient with these so that they don't weeble and wobble around on you. But the finished product is definitely worth it. Alright, so we got that shell on there good and tight, and now we just do our second one. We're going to push that there. I'm going to angle that in so you can slide a little piece of paper in there. Your honey-do list.